With the dawning of the development era in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the Arabian petroleum supply company Apsco was founded. It manufactures all types of lubricants and their derivatives on the regional and international levels and relies on its distributors' expertise and professionalism in order to increase its network all over the world. The lubricant blending plant is considered one of the best and most advanced in the Middle East and is ISO certified for quality and environment with a production capacity of more than 160,000 metric tons per year. The first stages of manufacturing begin with receiving the base oils from the Aramco Lubricants refinery and other international reputed refineries. Chemical additives are also received by specialized tankers and stored in high-capacity tanks. The process of mixing and blending base oils and additives is carried out through the latest modern automated and very precise technology operated by a professional, highly qualified teams of engineers and technicians according to the international standards and specifications. The plant is equipped with advanced production lines and complete high-speed mechanisms to fill and pack all kinds of engine, industrial and specialized oils and greases in different sizes, packages with the highest international quality standards to meet the needs of regional and international markets. In 2015, Apsco built a technologically advanced factory specialized in the manufacturing and production of greases with a capacity production reaching 6,000 metric tons per year, high-speed filling lines in different size packages and in accordance with international standards and specifications. For its products, Apsco uses state-of-the-art technology in the packaging industry. The factory is equipped by leading international specialized companies to speed up the packaging process and maintain the quality of its products until they reach the end consumers. The internationally approved lubricant mixing plant lab is one of the best specialized laboratories in the region. It is operated by a group of chemistry experts in oils and grease testing in all stages of production. Its state-of-the-art equipment conducts quality tests to ensure that the highest standards are met in compliance with international standards and specifications. The laboratory also provides oil analysis services to its customers. Apsco confirms that its success was and still depends on the efforts and efficiency of its dedicated men and staff who have achieved the highest professional level in their work and will remain, God willing, the first supporters in the company's long journey.